Okay children, now as you can see here, I have written revision. Then the question is name, N-A-M-E, name, 5, F-I-V-E, 5, fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Okay, so now what will the date, you'll put the date 12.8.2020 and the revision, write your mummy will write revision, R-E-V-I-S-I-O-N, revision. Mummy will write the question N-A, but you have to read children. Mummy will write the question, but you have to read the question. So N-A-M-E, name, F-I-V-E, 5, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Okay, and a question mark. Name 5 fruits. Okay, so now what any 5 fruits you can write if you want children. It's not a hard and fast rule that you learn these spellings. Parents, you can make your child learn some other spellings if you want. If you want to write some small spellings also in fruits, you can make your child learn that also. Okay, so let's begin. Draw 1, 2 and 3 lines. Okay, how many lines? 1, 2 and 3, because you are going to write each spelling 3 times. Okay, so number 1 is mango. Okay, number 1 is mango. Okay children, so the spelling of mango, M-A-N-G-O, and you can count it on your fingers also. M-A-N-G-O. Okay, count on your fingers. How many fingers do you have? How many fingers do you have? You have 5 fingers. Okay, so M-A-N-G-O. By this you know that how many alphabets are there. Okay, so 5 alphabets are there in mango, M-A-N-G-O. So now you have to repeat the word. Children, you have to repeat the word at least 5 times. Means आपको 5 times ये spelling बोलनी है, उसके बाद आपको लिखना है. Okay, like M-A-N-G-O, mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango, M-A-N, man, G-O, go. If you want to divide like this, M-A-N, man, G-O, go, mango. Okay, so after learning, then you will write capital cursive M-A-N-G-O, mango. Again you'll write M-A-N, man, G-O, go, mango. Again M-A-N, man, G-O, go, mango. So this is the way you will write the spelling. Now the second is pear, nashpati. Second is pear, P-E-A-R, P-E-A-R. R, pear. Okay, so write P-E-A-R, pear. Again repeat 5 times and then you will write P-E-A-R, pear. Okay, again write P-E-A-R, pear. Again P-E-A-R, pear. Alright, it's not pear, it's pear. Children, pronunciation is very important, so you will learn the correct pronunciation. Now the third is orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. So you will write here O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Okay, here O, capital cursive O, R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Okay, now the fourth is grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. So now you'll write, okay, write here capital cursive G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Again G, capital cursive G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Again G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Now the fifth word is cherry, the fruit cherry. You know, when you eat pastry or when you eat cake, then you have that red cherry on that. So that is called cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. So write the word C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. Again, write C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. Again, write C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. Okay, so this is the way you will do your revision of name 5 fruits. Loudly you have to say the words like ma'am is teaching you loudly. You have to repeat each alphabet nicely at least 5 times and then you'll write the word 3 times. Repeat करना है 5 times. जब आप 5 times एक word repeat करेंगे उसके बाद आप 3 times उस word को लिखेंगे. Okay, so with this we close our copy, GK copy, and we will do some drawing now. So I have made this thing for you. Now what is this, children? You can see here it's a Circle. Very good. It's a circle. Okay, so mommy will draw borders for you. Okay, like this, and a circle also mommy will draw. But the spelling which is written here, that you have to learn and write. Okay, so first what we are going to do, we are going to color the shapes, any color which you want. I am coloring it with a pink color. Okay, so tell your mommy first. With this thing she'll draw the border. Okay, with a cover or anything she can use the border with. Okay, with this thing with the cover. Like this. All right, this is the way she'll do it. This is the way she'll draw circle, and you will color it inside. Okay, so you will do coloring. All right, so you'll do, take out your pink color. This is little darker shade of pink. Okay, but you'll use your pink color. All right, so you'll use the pink color. So you will do slowly upside down, like this. I have told you, when you do the coloring, children, you will do with a very light hand. Light hand means धीरे धीरे आपको हाथ करना है, कस के नहीं, उससे कलरिंग खराब हो जाती है. So you will do it like this, standing way, in a horizontal way. This is called horizontal way. Okay, means standing line, standing way. Okay, like this. So the outlining of the circle mummy will do for you. She'll do the sketching. The sketch pen mummy will use, and the inside of the circle you will going to color. Okay, the inside of the circle you will going to color. Just remember that the color should not come out of the border line. Means the color should not come out of this sketch pen where mummy will draw. The color should not come out of that. Okay, this is the way you will do the coloring very neatly. I have told you, you will not take out the colors out. Okay, and with a very light hand, like ma'am is using a very light hand. Okay, like this. Very light hand ma'am is using, and should be even. Even means the color should not sometimes this thing in dark shade, some light, or the color should be even. Okay, and now with your pencil, I am using a sketch pen, but you will write the spellings with your pencil. Circle, the spelling of a circle is C I R C L E, circle. This mummy will not write, you will write. So mummy will draw a sleeping line. Okay, like this, with the help of a scale. Mummy will draw a sleeping line, and on that sleeping line you are going to label the picture. Label means you have to write the spelling. So this is circle, so you will write circle, C I R C L E, circle, C I R C L E, circle. All right, So this is the picture of a circle. Mummy will do the sketch pen with the sketch pen, and then inside you. Now the second one is triangle. You know, everybody knows the triangle. Okay, this is a triangle. Can you tell me why? Why it is called a triangle? Because it has 3 corners. First corner, second corner, and third corner. How many corners does a triangle has? 3. First corner, second corner, and third corner. 3 corners a triangle has. That's why 3 is also called tri. Okay, so triangle. Okay, so the spelling of triangle is triangle. Triangle. So same way you are going to write the spelling. Alright, so we are going to color the triangle with a green color. We'll use a green color. So I'm using a little darker shade of green. Okay, so children, I'm using a little darker shade. So Mama will do the outlining for you. Okay, Mama will do the outlining for you, and inside part you will color with the help of a scale. Mama can do this. Okay, slanting, and sleeping. Okay, so this is the way Mama will draw triangle for you, and the inside of the triangle you will do it. So you will take a light green color, okay, and start from the top. Start from the top like this. Yes, very neatly you'll do. Okay, in one stroke. Okay, like this. This is the way you will do it. Same this way. See how lightly ma'am is coloring. Ma'am is not doing like this. Ma'am is just slowly ma'am is using her hands, very slowly, very smoothly do coloring. Okay, don't put your strength in coloring. You have to enjoy the coloring. So enjoy the coloring, nicely do it. And the thing is, I have told you, the color should not come out of the picture, of that line, of the border line which Mummy will draw for you. Okay, are you getting me, children? Okay, this is the way you'll do coloring, and with the slow hands. Okay. Here and here in the bottom, sleeping in a, you can finish it by doing the in a sleeping line way. Okay, sleeping line like this you will finish it. So this is the way you will color the triangle. Mama will draw with the sketch pen, okay, and the inside part you will do. And labeling, who will do? you will going to label, you will going to write. So the triangle, the spelling will be, mama will draw a sleeping line with the pencil or a sketch pen, and on top of the line you will write the spelling. The spelling is triangle. Okay, so you will write here capital cursive T R I, triangle, AN and GLE, try, TRI, try, ANGLE, triangle. You will write the spelling, mommy will not write, mama only she'll draw it. Okay, so this is the work for today, children. I hope you enjoyed your class, and please do the work very neatly. Learn the spellings as I have told you 5 times. Repeat the fruit spelling, and then 3 times you will write it. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care, and happy Janmashtami to all my children and dear parents. Bye.